In this episode, we're going to review Unfortunate Souls by Mertailor for the Fantasea Fin 1 and the Fantasea Fin 3. Grab your popcorn and let's get started.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Hi, I'm Shellsea and welcome to Estuary Cove. Today's guest is Sierra. We'll be talking to you about Mertailor's Unfortunate Souls for the Fantasea Fin 1 and the Fantasea Fin 3.
So let's talk about the difference in the monofins because they are vastly different in size.
Okay, so you have the 3 and I have the 1. If anyone was ever curious, the difference in sizes, there you go. That's quite the difference.
A little bit.
Yes. So my fin goes for the 1 and hers goes for the 3.
For the 3.
All right.
And we're just gonna put that down. My back.
So tell me what you think about this tail.
Well, I really like the colors and the spots. Kind of gives that mystical element. The fins are really pretty. And I like that the front is different than the back. That is always a cool feature.
Yes, so I do love the spots. And this is the back for mine. I love the dorsal. So
yeah, I like the
what I
dorsal.
love about the dorsal, and actually the side fins, is they're all the same on this one. And they are just replicas moved around. So when you do a pin drop and you spin, all 3 of them are the same.
Reminiscent of Ursula, very cool.
Yes, like all her little legs, or her tentacles, I'm sorry.
Very into it.
Yeah, so I love how they flow and the movement of them. But I do love the colors. I thought it was so neat. Mm-hmm. Again, with the purples and the teals. So a cool little hidden gem in these is if you look, it looks like flotsam and jetsam on the butt.
Shut the front door.
Yes.
Oh, it does. I love that.
Isn't that neat?
That is really cute. That is a fun mermaid fact.
It is. So, you know, if you're a fan of Ursula, this is a great tail for you.
Oh yeah, definitely for those Little Mermaid stands.
Yes.
So after talking about design, tell me a little bit about this tail in the water. How is it whenever you are swimming, especially since you have different flukes?
It's fun. As I've said in my previous videos with the Fantasea Fin 1, I feel this is a good dry land picture tail. So I love taking pictures on rocks or anywhere kind of, I hate to say it, almost unstable, because I feel stable with the smaller fin. And I'm not real comfortable swimming in the Fantasea Fin 1 where there's a current. So this is my dry land tail. Now swimming in it with the 3, I love it. I swam at a local spring around here and just holding on to things and making the tail come up and watching the side fins do their thing. My environment and the way this tail looked in the water with the light was just magical. I almost felt like Ursula, and I was kind of on the hunt for Little Mermaid.
Into it.
I was getting into it. I just needed the crown and I would have been set.
We love it. We love it. We love it.
All right, let's talk accessories.
Well, first let's take a look at these awesome leggings. I do love that it does have the pattern all over it. I do kind of wish that it was front and back a little different, just like the tail, but I love the vibrancy of it, and you still get the flotsam and jetsam on the back.
Definitely, and it does come with a sports top, but I wear it all the time, so it's actually at work because I wear it under my stuff. It's one of my favorite tops, so we do have that, and we do have the arm sleeves to match as well. And don't forget about your bikini. I do have the low rise or the low tides. They do come in high tides as well, and we do have the Aphrodite top, and it does come with a padded halter as well. So don't forget about accessories to go with the rest of the collection.
And I do want to reiterate, like we were just talking about, like I love the ruched back of like the bottoms there. They're so cute.
It looks like you got a booty.
I love it.
Yes,
I love it.
I do. I love the low tides. They are my favorite.
They are really cute.
All right, so final thoughts on this tail? What do you think?
I'm just really loving the vibrancy of it. Even though it seems like more of a villainous tail, you can still, it's got colors that pop.
It does. The purples and the teals, it does it.
So would you say you're more of a Team Ursula or a Team Ariel?
I have to say I'm more of a Team Scuttles.
Okay.
What about you?
Team Sebastian.
I can see that.
Yeah.
So, but let us know in the comments. Are you Team Ursula or are you Team Ariel? Till then, don't forget to
Like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye. We need Penguins have fun. That.
Poor unfortunate soul. Grab it. Stop making a fist.
Oh, why does it taste like goldfish? Because it's so delicious.
We're not going to be able to do it with a straight face. We're going to get 2 bumps in. This one longing to be thinner. That one wants to get the girl. And do I help them? Yes, indeed.